Well, hello aviators. I want to show you my not so brand new Bose Aviation proflight headsets. I've had them for about 4 or 5 months and I love them. They're wonderful, they work great. The features that I love about these headsets are the Bluetooth and the noise cancelling. Only one big flaw on these headsets: batteries. These headsets go through batteries like crazy. Every other month or so, I have to change batteries. I don't like to go to an airplane, hook up my headsets, try to make a phone call, and I don't have batteries. So Bose needs to fix this. It's an easy fix. I fixed it. Bose need to do that for their customers. Now, aviators, I can show you on a future video how to fix it yourself. What I did, I bought some parts on Amazon and I installed this USB-C female plugin. So as you can see, I changed the surface here a little bit with a special carbon tape. The reason I did that is because I scratched the surface when I was doing making that hole there, and I want to make my headset look pretty. After all, they're $1,000 plus. So, needless to say, as you can see, this is the on button, Bluetooth, etc. By installing that, fixed all my problems of batteries. Now I don't have to buy batteries all the time. Now, here's the situation. When you plug a USB-C here, a male USB-C, the cable is gonna be bent. That exerts some forces here, twisting the parts multiple direction, which is not a good thing. So I looked up on Amazon once again, and I bought this special and neat cable. It's just a regular USB male plug-in, but it has this neat tip right here. It's a magnetic tip. So it comes with multiple cables and multiple of this little solution. So as you can see, this is a male USB-C. So what we do is, to make it easier, see if I can do this on one shot. We plug that in here. Okay. So it's installed. Now the cable will magnetically connect. And now the cable's not bent. Takes a little less room. It plugs in pretty well, and it unplugs really easy. Plug, unplug, plug. As you can see, there's no power, there's no battery installed right now. So I'm going to show you that it does work. I'm gonna plug in here with this outlet. It's connected. The power will show on the cable. Now you know you got power. And then I'm going to turn it on. Voila! That's your solution, Bose. You need to install a power source so we can connect this to the airplane, as most airplanes have it. If you don't have a power source in the airplane, you can buy a big old battery, put it on the side, and forget about buying batteries all the time. So I think that's my solution for that. I think Bose can do that easily. I think Bose listens to their customers. And if you are interested, I can show you on a next video how to do the installation. Anyway, thank you very much, and goodbye.